Hi guys, thanks for watching. Now in this video is kind of a follow-on from yesterday where I was talking about branding. I'm going to be talking about the funnel system using the free traffic again, where I've been able to make over $1,000 in just 2 weeks of getting started using the free traffic, the 100% free traffic. If you haven't been following my videos here on YouTube, don't worry, you can have a look at those. But basically that's what this video is about. It's kind of a follow-on from yesterday where I was talking about branding. But more importantly in this video, I want to talk about why this is working for me, or why it's going to work for different people in different ways. Now, I hate to point out the obvious, but yes, it is going to work differently for a lot of different people who come into this for various reasons, most of which are common sense. But yes, as you can see, I've generated a huge amount of success almost on a daily basis, except Friday the 24th. But basically, I've ever since I got started here on Thursday, the 16th, I've been generating sales pretty much every day since I got started. This is not the only income stream we have in this one simple funnel. Okay, you'll be able to get access to this funnel using one simple share code, and everything just brands to you, all with the email follow-up series and everything. So as you can see here, since I got started, which is down here, back on about the 17th was my first sale into Power Lead System, and ever since then I've had sales, gold members, diamond members here, customers here, gold members, and another diamond member here, and more sales here. In the last 9 hours or so, last 10-12 hours or so, I've had 4 people coming in. As you can see, that was before I even woke up, and late last night as well. So within the last sort of 10-12 whatever hours, I've had 4 people coming in. Same with the Clickbank. We've got other income streams in here as well, so like Viral Traffic Rush and any of the other traffic exchanges where some people have decided to upgrade in the traffic exchanges, but that's not required. That's not essential. It's just totally up to the individual if they want to scale things up in those different traffic exchanges. I've been able, with the one single funnel, we have a large income opportunity. Plus, we have various places within the system that allows you to put in your own income stream of choice. Okay, but what we're really doing, guys, is we're building our mailing lists, and I've been able to build over 500 leads into my mailing list since I started 2 weeks ago. Okay, 500 leads came into my mailing list 2 weeks ago, and that gives you opportunity to promote what you're doing. Get to know your leads. That's what we're doing here. We're sowing the seed so that you can start reaching out and working with your list and getting to know. This is all about know, like, and trust in this industry. That's why this is working differently for some people. Some people come into this industry with a little bit more experience than others. Some people are complete newbies. I know people have told me that they're newbies in the non-stop the last several years. I met them over a year ago, or I've met them 2 years ago. They used to tell me that they're newbies back then, and they're still telling me they're newbies. Makes me wonder when are they going to decide, because it's not a qualification where you sort of pass the test to become a qualified or experienced internet marketer. It's the same if you launch a restaurant, or if you open a shop on the high street of your local area. You don't tell your customers you're a newbie. Obviously not, because how are they going to trust you? How are they going to trust to join you or purchase any products or services from you from your shop or your restaurant or your service or whatever, if you keep telling people you're a newbie? Okay, you're always branding yourself one way or another, negatively or positively. You see a lot of people being negative on social media. That's why recently you don't see me interacting in a lot of groups unless it's something positive, or unless it's something I'm 100% focused on. Okay, because it's just a waste of time. You get a lot of people negative about stuff, moaning about things. Instead, they're not working towards their dreams and goals, the whole reason why they got into this in the first place. There are some disappointments out there. There are some issues going on. It's just, a lot of that stuff is not going to solve by you just you know, hating stuff and criticizing stuff. So what you need to do is just need to work hard. You need to get your head down. You need to get into the trenches and move forward. That's why I decided to go with this, because I know that Clickbank here, if you see here, Clickbank got started back in 1998. I think it was. It launched in 1998, guys. A long time ago. Nothing is going to bring it down. Okay. So, you know, building an income stream with Clickbank is great, because you don't even need to own that product necessarily in order to, you know, for you to start promoting that product. You know, there are a lot of products in the marketplace here at Clickbank. Technically, you don't actually have to market. You don't actually have to own that product or purchase that product in order to actually start to promote it, which is great. You know, which is nice. You know. But I highly recommend you to learn about the product. You know, I wouldn't want to pay money to someone who doesn't know anything about the product itself or service. So, you know, but anyway, my point is, this funnel, our income streams within the funnel, we're using income streams that have been around for a long time. You know, Power Lead System, for example, as you can see here, Power Lead System, where I'm getting my signups here, my commissions. I'm getting monthly commissions here. Power Lead System has been around for about 11 or 12 years. Okay, nothing's going to bring that down. Okay, so you know, we've got other income streams as well built into the funnel. This is the way I like this funnel, is because it's built with the quality income streams. You know, systems that people want, people can use. It's a very clever funnel. It's got all the training built in that you can get access to for free. You don't necessarily have to purchase everything in order to actually get the training. That's what we're talking about here. The training is how to generate traffic, and we're using free traffic, safe lists, traffic exchanges. They work, guys. So, you know, in this video, I actually wanted to talk to you about how this is going to work out for the individual. You know, it all depends on whether you yourself, you know, what type of person are you? Are you the kind of person that is ready to get started and not give up, to actually get going, to really launch your business properly, professionally? Okay, are you the kind of person that's just going to keep going and do the tasks, do your daily tasks, keep going and don't stop? All right, I know you're busy. I know you've got a lot of stuff on, but you know, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's going to work differently from me. It's going to work differently for you. My results are not typical. I've been able to generate these results in the last 2 weeks since I got started using 100% free traffic. Also, there is a mix in this traffic with people who know me. Okay, I've been able to build up a know, like, and trust, and I've had people in my inbox asking me where, you know, where is this traffic coming from actually. And of course, I've always said in my posts on my Facebook timeline, for example. Okay, posted this over an hour ago now, and I'm saying, you know, 100% free traffic, guys, including social media. Okay, social media is also free traffic. Why wouldn't you want to post onto your social media site? Okay, if you've been building it up and you've been working in the trenches, why would you expect to get necessarily the same results as me? I'm saying my results are not necessarily typical, simply because I've been out there working hard. I'd be damn irritated if, you know, I suddenly get a newbie generating the same kind of results as me. You know, all 4 years of slogging around and trying to make things happen, and all of a sudden somebody comes in brand new and absolutely kills it. I'd be very happy if you were in my team. And no, what I'm saying, guys, you know, joking aside, what I'm saying is, I've had my fair share of you know, issues in this business. You know, obviously the people who have really put in the work and struggled have definitely had their fair share of disappointment. You know, we feel the pain. We all feel the pain. People who come in here, who just put a little bit in here, a little bit in there, and don't really do much, and all of a sudden absolutely kill it in this industry. You know, that's just not going to happen in reality. But the good news about this particular funnel system is that we've got a mechanism, we've got a system in here that if you work hard, you get started, you get really stuck in, you're going to be able to generate that traffic. Okay, because we're generating traffic from safe lists, traffic exchanges. I'm personally generating traffic from YouTube and also Facebook, because that's my choice. You all have access to YouTube and Facebook. I've been telling people to get started in these platforms for 3-4 years, and people don't listen to me. Okay, it's true though, because Facebook is free, so that's what we're talking about. Free traffic, guys. Get started. I know you're all on Facebook. As you can see, I've been posting on Facebook about my systems, about my results. I'm excited. I'm passionate. I'm sharing my excitement on social media, because why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you use all the resources you have access to? I'm sharing my excitement on YouTube as well, as you can see. The last 23 hours, 1 day ago, 3 days ago, 5 days ago, 1 week ago, and continuously. So I want people to know what I'm doing, what I'm up to. I know there are people who don't like what I do. Obviously there are. But I don't care about them, because I've stopped worrying about what people think. Because when you worry about what people think, that's just going to slow you down. It doesn't worry me in the slightest anymore. In fact, it makes me laugh. The good thing about YouTube is the more people who actually, if there is anyone who actually dislikes my videos, the funny thing is it actually boosts me. It actually gives me a higher ranking, because YouTube actually likes that kind of controversy. They like the activity one way or another. It doesn't matter to YouTube whether there are a lot of people who like stuff or dislike stuff. So some YouTubers will actually deliberately create some kind of controversy or some kind of thing that they know will actually rile a lot of people deliberately, and then they just go away and let everyone have a great conversation, because they know there are a lot of haters out there typically. And it just makes the YouTuber just laugh, because like I say, I used to worry about what people think, but until I tried to pay my bills using their opinions, it doesn't work, guys. So just get out there and share your excitement, and you should just get your content on the internet, get it uploaded, share your excitement, share what's happening, and just do it. Go for it, run. This system is by far the best, a high converting system I've used. And to be able to have a training inside that's actually free, because this training is free. You just opt in, you go through the steps. That's the actual training. As you go through the steps after you go through, you don't have to actually sign up or join anything before going through the training. So dip into the training anyway, and you'll love it, and it'll give you some great gold nuggets anyway. And then you'll want to get access to the funnel system anyway. So, obviously, whatever funnel system you use, you're going to have to pay for it, with a page builder, and a system that allows you to use house unlimited leads, I believe. I've got thousands of leads in Power Lead System now, because I've used it for the last 4 years. I don't even know if there is actually a limit on the system, but it's an amazing platform. It's very, very good. So but at the very least, guys, go through the free training and start signing up for the free traffic systems, so you can at least use it on your own websites, and focus more on the safe lists as well. Because safe lists are has been proven to convert better than the traffic exchanges. But don't forget the traffic exchanges. It all works as a whole. Use this whole system. Don't shortcut this. Okay. Because there's a lot of great stuff in here that works so well together, and it's still, after 2 weeks of using this funnel, I'm still amazed of the new things that I'm learning about this funnel and the training and everything. Okay, so I'm always thinking about scaling this funnel up, and just using one single funnel. Once you set this up, it's just so easy to run. It's so all you're doing is sending traffic to your one funnel, your one link. And it's really that easy. So anyway, look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.